This video we're going to show you how to remove the amplifier from Maserati 2014, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this size 10mm socket, size T25 Torx screwdriver, and this small flat screwdriver, and this yellow dashboard removal tool. The first step, you need to remove all these hooks. There are 4 of them, one here, and then these are they use the size T25 Torx to remove them. And then there are 2 all the way in the cover right here, one on the passenger side and then one on the driver's side. Once you get all these 4 hooks out, and then you need to remove the clips. So we can remove this cover for the lock assembly. The clips, they look like this. You just use a screwdriver and just pop them out. And then once you get the clips out, then you can remove the cover and the plastic cover for the lock assembly. Go. Now remove the 2 clips for this side carpet. You get them out, and then you can remove this plastic piece for the trunk hinge. Now we're going to remove the clips for the carpet, side carpet, and then remove the whole carpet. The clips are located down here. Once you get those clips out, then you can remove the whole carpet for the side of the car. And here is the location of the amplifier. As you can see, you need to use they have a 10mm nuts, which you need to remove. One up there, and then one up over here. So basically it has 3 10mm nuts. Once you get these 3 nuts, you can remove the whole amplifier. And here we go. And if you need to disconnect the connector, you just have to use a small flat screwdriver or something sharp. You just insert your screwdriver right at the tip of you just push the lever in, and then you just remove. And that's it. And if you need any repair for this amplifier, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.